Hey there, pet lovers. Are you a pet grooming business looking to attract and retain customers? Are you ever wondering what type of content you should create? Then you're in the right place, because in this video, we're going to go over some key strategies and tactics and topics you can use to market your business effectively. Number 1, pet grooming services overview. First things first, let's talk about your services. Create a video that provides an overview of the services you offer and how they can benefit pets and their owners. Don't be afraid to get creative. You could use props, animations, or even a catchy jingle to make your video stand out. Just make sure to highlight the unique features of your business, such as your use of organic products or your ability to handle difficult breeds. Number 2, before and after transformations. Nothing speaks louder than the results. Show the transformation of a pet's appearance after a grooming session. This can be a great way to showcase the results of your services and encourage bookings. Just make sure to get the pet owner's permission before sharing their before and after photos, because you don't want to end up on the wrong side of a pet meme. Number 3, pet grooming process. Transparency is key. Create a video that shows the step-by-step process of a grooming session. This can help potential customers understand what to expect during a grooming session and build trust in your business. Just make sure to have a camera-friendly grooming assistant. Number 4, pet grooming testimonials. Word of mouth is still one of the most powerful forms of marketing. Share video testimonials from satisfied customers talking about their experiences with your business. This can help build credibility and encourage more bookings. Just make sure to ask for permission before using the footage. Number 5, pet grooming discounts and promotions. Everybody loves a good deal. Share information about any current discounts or promotions that you are offering, such as first-time customer discounts or loyalty programs. This can be a great way to attract new customers and encourage a repeat business. Just make sure to include all the details, such as expiration dates and any exclusions or restrictions. Number 6, meet the Groomers episode. People love putting a face to a business. Introduce viewers to your team of groomers and give them a behind-the-scenes look at your business. This can help build trust and personalize your business to potential customers. Just make sure to have everyone looking their best. The last thing you want is your head groomer showing up in a stained shirt and a pair of Crocs. Number 7, pet grooming tips. Share some helpful tips for pet owners on things like maintaining their pet's coat and skin health at home. This can help establish your business as a trusted resource and encourage bookings. Just make sure to keep it relevant and informative. Nobody wants to watch a 20-minute video of the history of dog shampoo. And those are just a few ideas for marketing your pet grooming business. Remember, it's important to regularly review and adjust your marketing efforts to ensure that they are effective and aligned with your business goals. With the right approach, you can attract and retain customers and grow your business. And once again, thanks for watching. We hope this video has given you some helpful tips, some helpful ideas for promoting your business and helping more pets look and feel their best. If you have any other questions about marketing for pet groomers, feel free to reach out. The description is below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like the content. See you on the next one.